Hello everyone, my name is Paul and welcome back to my Python training course. Today I'm joined with my son.
Hi, I'm Matthew.
And Matthew is going to go through what he's learned through our lesson 2 in launching PyCharm and doing some basic programming. So Matthew, we'll hand it over to you and let's launch.
Yep. So, let's open PyCharm.
Again on the Mac it's simply just run it in Spotlight. And here we are, hopefully. So what Matthew's going to do is create a new project.
Yep.
And call that something meaningful to him.
Just Matthew.
Matthew, that'll work. So you close that tip. So now you have to create a new file.
So
right click Matthew.
Oh, new and
Python file.
Okay.
Okay, and give that a name that means something.
Just Matthew's project.
Matthew's file.
Okay.
Better.
Okay.
All right, so we did 3 things in the course. The first one was we just did print hello world. The second one was we did some basic math, and the third one was take an input statement from the keyboard. So Matthew, you saw the video. Let's do it.
Okay, let's just do hello world first. Let's do print and hello Paul.
That'll work.
Let's do run.
And for the first time you have to right click the desktop, but there it is, excellent. Exit code 0. I think that means it was successful. All right.
Hello, Paul.
Hello, Matthew. Now it's time to do a little math.
So let's just.
So Matthew is commenting out the line. That's a way of taking it out of the program, but leaving the line there. It's good for making comments and writing what you're doing.
So let's do x. Yep, x equals 10.
All right.
And y equals 2.
So what do you want to do with those 2 variables, Matthew?
So let's print x plus y.
No.
Oh, x equals x plus y.
So what do you think is going to happen here?
Let's run that.
Let's see.
And 12.
12. Okay. Nice job. Do a division. See if you can do a division.
Let's do. How about let's do like 24 plus 10.
Oh, let's use some big numbers. Oh, 34.
Okay.
All right, you want to do a division, or you want to move to the next thing? No, in the print statement, I mean. X divided
let's
by?
do
Yeah.
divide by.
Let's see what happens when we do this. Oh, that's crazy. And look, you see the number is a floating point. It's not an integer. It's actually a decimal. And that's a key thing to learn here. We'll learn in the next course that if you do a division in Python, it automatically gives a decimal point. So
if you do something that's not actually a whole number, if you run it, it will be a decimal.
But even if it is a whole number. So anyway, let's do the input statement. I know you're dying to do that.
So let's do. Let's make them do a number. So number equals input.
It's input, but close.
Let's
Let's
do choose a number.
So what Matthew's doing now is he's taking, polling the keyboard of the user to asking them to choose a number.
Oh, so what if we make these into numbers? So this number.
You take the 1 in front. I don't think it likes that, but other than that, it's awesome.
Oh, what if we do another input for the y?
Sure.
So
let's do that.
No.
Wow, we're really pushing the envelope here.
Number 2 equals input.
Yeah.
choose another number.
We're really going to annoy this user, whoever's using our program.
So let's do number 2.
So now we're, instead of adding variables, we're assigning variables, which this is probably not necessary in a normal program, but it's fun to try here. We're assigning variables to another variable, which is the variable that the user inputs.
Oh, what if we...
So this is going to be interesting, Matthew. Let's see what happened. What do you think happens here? Let's see. So this might not give us what we want, but let's give it a whirl.
Okay, well...
So we choose a number.
24.
Okay. I like
57.
those. Oh. And look at that. Look at what has happened. We have 2457. So what it did is it added the two numbers together in a concatenation instead of actually adding the numbers.
So
and the reason for that is...
Oh, what if you make them into numbers and
integers.
Integers and
That's
not
exactly
just
right.
like...
That's exactly right. Right now they're string. X
so
is a
right
string.
now, if you just... So right now, if you just do like...
So how will we fix this?
What if we just do like... Hello.
Look at that. See, that's proof
now
that it is a string.
So
So how do we fix this?
Oh, what if we make these themselves into integers? Like
I think so.
we make this.
So what we're doing now is we're converting the x and y's into integers, which are obviously numbers, and we should get the correct answer by doing this, because now instead of a string we'll be adding numbers. Let's see what happens.
So
I can't
if
wait.
we do
Exciting.
24
Big
plus
numbers. Go.
57.
And there we
81.
go. Nice job.
What if we make an input for if they want to divide, multiply, or
Let's try that. Let's try this, and we'll make this the final, because all of these concepts here that we've stumbled upon are in our next lesson, which is data types, and that's key for programming in any language, but in Python we're going to have to understand the different data types and what we're doing here in order to process.
Actually, now that I think about it, unless they just do the specific like slash or plus or all that,
Right.
I think you'll have to do like if they do division, if they type division.
We're getting
and all
way
that.
too far down the road. See, this is the problem.
So I guess let's just keep it like this.
So do a division, divide the two numbers and see what happens. All right, now run that. It should work.
So choose a number.
Pick crazy big numbers.
Okay.
Be adventurous. Not too big, but
200.
oh,
200.
200. Oh,
Wow.
that's up there.
How about?
Well, we're at for 200 now. We might as well go for 300.
You can't do 200 divided by 300.
Yes, you can.
It's gonna be.
Look at that. So 66%. It's 1/3. 2/3. Sorry. All right, everyone. So this was fun, and Matthew will be back later. But for now, we need to get to lesson 3 and understand how data types work and all the other fundamentals of programming. So until the next time, bye.
Bye.